Hey there YouTube, this is John with JC's Lowrider Model Builds, and today is September 6th, which means it is the official start date for Model Car 1589's Lowrider Group Build. And so I'll be starting on this 85 Oldsmobile 442 today. Hopefully get it and sanded up and primered, get it ready for some paint. Got some putty on the Lancer there on the side, filling in these little grooves that it had in the body from sitting in the box for a couple of years. But yeah, we're gonna get started and get going. All right, hope y'all follow along. All right, this is the body I'm gonna be using. The parts for the front bumper, the back bumper, and the hood I'll be using on this kit. Thinking about going with a silver base, maybe a gold base with some candy red paint. Nothing too fancy. Might be doing some patterns on the roof, kind of like a mild custom, not all over the body. Said just starting out, haven't been building in a while, but that's where we're going. Got the body taken apart off the trees, and now I'm gonna get started on some sanding. Alright, well, the car is now in primer and base coat. So, went with a silver base coat on this, and it is a rattle can, and of course, got a couple of sputters of paint. Gotta clean up. Do a little bit more body work before we go with the candy and the patterns, or whatever else I put on there. Sand it down, make it smooth, go from there. Alright, start of the paint job. Start working on the interior next while this dries and sets before I can sand it. Alright, thank you guys for watching. Looking forward to doing more, and appreciate if you guys hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and follow me on this build. Thanks.